Wait, let me just check the NASDAQ. Oh, no. Yep, another day in the office, and I am using the exact same lot size on my prop firm account. And I am about to share my secret. This is the story of my 25,000 prop firm challenge, the roller coaster ride that you need to see. I am not going to tell you I passed or I did not. I am going to show you how. The good, the bad, and the downright ugly. Because let's be real, right? Trading is not always about Lamborghinis and popping champagne. But the key, can you recover? Can you learn? Can you conquer? That is what this video is all about. The raw, unfiltered reality of trading, like, how we always do it on this channel. But, on my prop firm, January was a real roller coaster, right? Remember, this is a $25,000 challenge, right? But the ultimate goal is $2 million. And this is just the first steps and the very crucial steps, right? And my first few trades, well, let's just say I was testing the water. A little dip there, a small win there, nothing too great. But then things got really interesting. I want you to pay close attention because these early trades reveal a lot about my mindset and my strategy. Now, yes, if you are new to the channel, welcome. We trade the NASDAQ over here. If you're returning, welcome back. You already know what's up. Don't forget to hit that like button, turn your post notification, and subscribe to the channel. Now, day one, $270 profit. Not a huge win, right? But an important one. So I had one trade on the NASDAQ and one on US 30. So I will just explain the NASDAQ because, the setups were looking the same, right? Now, look at this chart. I spotted these two swing points. I want you to notice how the sellers tried to push the price down, forming this wick, but the buyers immediately pushed it right back up. This tells me that there is a strong support at this area. I marked up my point of interest, the level where I expected the market to bounce, and then the market tapped right into it, and I entered the buy. Quite simple, right? Now, why didn't I hold this trade longer? That's a good question. But at this stage, I was just starting to get a feel of the account's behavior, the volatility. I was using two lot size. Risk management is key, especially at the beginning. So it was better for me to secure a small win and to risk getting a big loss. So that was quite simple, right? Trade two, similar setup, another week, another strong support level. Marked it up and the market dipped, almost touched the support. So this was strong selling pressure. It rejected right up with a bullish push to the upside. But I was just a little hesitant here because these two candles, they're a little tricky. Waited for the next candle, which came out bearish, right? I just had to keep waiting here. I needed more confirmation. And then this beauty appeared right over here, a bullish engulfing candle. That was my signal. Entered and rode it up. Again, could have held it longer, but remember, day trading mindset, right? I'm in and I am out. Quick profits. This is also where you start to see my risk management strategy. Small wins, they add up. I really don't want to be holding my trades overnight, risking the up and down, and end up just closing with like $1,600 win. I can go in and out and make, 1,200. Then that brings us to trade three, the breakout strategy. I love this one. We had a clear resistance at this level right over here. The market breaks out. Most traders would jump in immediately here, but I did not. I waited for confirmation. And what confirmation did I get? These three bullish candlesticks in a row, right? I like to call this the three candlestick rule. That's a really strong signal. So I entered, stop loss safely below the new support. Easy money, right? Well, not always, but this is a good example of how patience and waiting for confirmation can really pay off. So that was it. 3 trades, but trade for an absolute nightmare. Gapped down. You remember that gap? The market gapped down over the weekend, and these are the worst. I learned never to hold my trades in a prop firm account over the weekend because my stop loss triggered way lower than I expected. Not even my initial stop loss. The market gapped right past my stop loss. That was like a significant loss that I had. Instead of losing just $280, I ended up losing $700 just because of the gap. The market doesn't really respect your stop loss when there is a gap. The market will open and the stop loss will trigger at where the gap actually starts. Crazy, right? Yes, but then gaps can be really brutal and we always take advantage of them. Now remember, in our personal accounts, we then capitalized with the whole team and ended up making good profit, but then this is a perfect example of why you need to be prepared for anything when you're trading. Sometimes things happen that are completely out of your control. Imagine I was already having a trade on Friday, closed holding the trade. The market opens with a gap on Monday. What can I do about that? Nothing. But the key is how you're going to react, right? Do you panic? Do you give up? No, you learn from it. You adapt and you keep going. And then to add insult to injury, another loss back to back the same day. So I tried to recover quickly here. A bad move, $300 down again, but I took a step back, analyzed what went wrong, and this is a crucial lesson for every trader. You have to be able to control your emotions, especially after a loss. Then trade 6, recovery time. I saw liquidity at this spot right here, selling pressure stepping in, but also the buyers then stepped in, and this is where I started to regain my confidence, right? I saw an opportunity, I jumped right in. The market broke through the resistance and I added a position, almost made back all the losses in just one trade. This shows the importance of identifying key levels and capitalizing on them. I was able to turn a losing day into almost a winning day. That's the power of a good recovery. Then we have trade 7, support rejection. Had a buy limit here. I was busy this day with exams, so I entered a little bit early and left a limit order at this bottom, with a tight stop loss and a take profit. The trade had played out just perfectly. Love it when that happens. So this also shows the importance of planning your trades in advance. You set your limit orders. It's not always about being glued to the screen. Sometimes the best trades are the ones that are just set and forget. So that was it. And then the final trade of January, fantastic, right? Another weak rejection. Market tapped into a point of interest. I entered and rode the trade up to the top. This was beautiful. This trade just capped off a pretty wild month. It showed me that even after experiencing some losses that I should not have, I was able to bounce back and finish strong on this prop. Now I just took 7 trades the whole month of January on this challenge account. Just 7 trades and I've managed to make $2,100. I'm left with $400 to pass the challenge. No, wait, just $250 left to pass. Now the $1 million question is, did I pass the $25,000 challenge or did I fail it? You'll have to stay tuned to find out. Now if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, turn on your post notifications and subscribe to the channel. You feel me? With that, it's been Tino and I'll see you in the next lit video. Peace.
You would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? Baby, can you focus on me? on.